Hello and welcome to my channel DDM-Cardhouse. Today we are going to open a Supreme of Darkness display. It's not my first display to open, but I didn't really get lucky at the first one, so let's see if we can get something good. I'm going to open those in German because some friends of mine are going to need some of those cards, and myself as well, because I'm going to play the Mitsurugi Riser deck. As I said, I've already opened one display, and I didn't really get any I did get the normal Mitsurugi cards, but not like the Ritual Spell or the Ritual Monster. I did get the one Ritual Monster, but not the Ultra Rare, so let's see if we can get the other ritual card. So let's see. As I said, those are in German. So Meteorreactor, Water Jet. It's really good. I don't know. Großritter. Oh, Primate. This is actually worth something pre-market price. I mean, it's like 20 euros. So yeah. Causality, we have this. Prayer, I already have 3 copies. So let's put those aside. Question. I may have to try this deck because I saw it on DB Grander's channel and it was it's a pretty good deck. Okay. It has some flaws, but every deck has some flaws, right? So, I mean, does get countered by like Drella and stuff, but I mean, for Mitsurugi it's the same, so. Okay, we need those. For Mitsurugi. Well, we already pulled 2 ultra rares, so ultra rare, so I don't think we're gonna get the Mitsurugi card, so I may have to order them myself. Kinda sad because they are 10 euros, I think, but it is what it is. Oh, also, nee, keine Macht. Okay. Yeah, I feel like, I don't know, the set doesn't feel that good to open money-wise, because the secret rare pulls are not that expensive, right? I mean, if you look at something like Rage of the Abyss, where you have well, I mean, the price is tripping, right? Because what's it called? The Polilia, the other one that gets a reprint, so price is dropping, but still, you get a lot more better secret rares price-wise. I mean, the Primer card is the Primer Draw, I think. Is it Draw? I don't know. It's rising like crazy. Oh, I mean, I have this, but still. And the other secret rares are worth like a little bit, but here it's like the most expensive one is the Meow, which is like 40 bucks, 30 to 40 bucks, I think. It's rather. And aside from this, I mean, the one other expensive one is the Link. The Link ones, I don't know what it's called, QB or something like that. Yeah, it's like 20 to 30 bucks as well, so not that expensive. And of course the LZ White Forest, but yeah. Speaking of meows. Yeah, we need those. Some more of those. But we already got like our 3 ultra rares. I don't know if there's. I got only 3 the last time as well, so I don't know if there's can be a 4th on there. But we'll have to see. Yeah, last contact. No, dark. this, right? Himself? I don't know. Oh yeah, there it is. Yeah, 4th one. But not what we need. Let's see if we can get a QCR. Nope. Nope. Yeah, I mean, every time we open the set, you're going to lose money, but it's like insane. Even if you pull both the Meowie and another secret rare, you're probably going to lose money. Oh, do I only get one secret rare in this play? Wait, what? They get scammed? No way. No fucking way. Only one secret rare? Are you kidding me? Did I miss something? No, that's an ultra. Konami scammed me. What the fuck? Yeah. See, that's what I mean. Totally scammed. Well, it is what it is. I didn't really get too much stuff that my friends need. I mean, I got really nothing. It's kind of depressing. Yeah, well, I guess that's it. Next time I'm going to open, I think, the Pokemon Evolutions. No, what's it called? Prime Schmetting Evolutions. Yeah. Next time it's in English, so and I'm going a little bit slower because the set, I don't know, there's really nothing that really matters, right? I mean, the Christian is okay, but it's not gonna be like meta relevant, right? I mean, maybe, who knows? The Mitsurugi scarf is nice, but it feels like Fiendsmith is just better, right? With at least with Raziel. I mean, it's fun to play, don't get me wrong. I've played a lot of matches online, but yeah. Aside from that, I mean, best threat, Abyss, support. Yeah. No, didn't really get anything from my friends either, so that is what he needs. A lot of nothing. Triple. This. Yeah. Well, I guess that's it. Yeah. Kind of depressing, but yeah. That's kind of expecting. It's expected if you opened packs. I mean, sometimes you just get nothing. Sometimes you get like a really good QCR. So at least we got this one. This one I'm happy about. So yeah. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.